If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the official Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or issues. If there's a problem with Xbox Live, you may need to wait until it is resolved. Step 2. Test network connection. Go to the settings menu on your Xbox, select network, and then choose network settings. From there, select test network connection to ensure your console is properly connected to the internet. Step 3. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller, select Restart Console, and then confirm the restart. Step 4. Check NAT type. In the network settings, check your NAT type. A strict to moderate NAT type can cause multiplayer issues. If your NAT type is not open, consider adjusting your router settings or enabling UPnP. Step 5. Update console software. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and then choose Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. If you follow these steps and still experience issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.